The pharma industry is a research based and highly regulated industry, and the pharmaceutical professionals and the people who are working in the pharma industry specifically should have the knowledge of patents. I welcome all the viewers to this video on topic why patent knowledge is important in the pharma industry. So as the pharma industry is a research oriented, research driven industry, so patenting is very important for protecting the research and protecting the innovation. This is one of the reason to know about the patents. First reason is protecting the innovation. New drugs, processes, synthetic routes or route of synthesis of the APIs, formulation composition, formulation processes, and the critical excipient used in the formulations are the things which take much more time to develop, and these are the costly things in the research. So without protecting the research, the competitors can use the information and can sell the drugs or medicines or the formulations. It will harm to the innovator organization or the organization or company which has invested their time, energy and money in the research and development. So protecting the innovation is very important. Patent generally gives the exclusive right to the innovator company and exclude others from the use of that innovation for around 20 years from the filing date. It allows the innovator to recover R&D investments. So knowing about the patents is important. Example, a novel sustained release formulation for an anti-diabetic drug can be patented, preventing the generic copies before the expiry of that patent. Second reason, navigating patent barriers in the product development. If you are working onto the generic formulations or abbreviated new drug applications like ANDAs or marketing authorizations or any other generic formulation, you should know what is the patent and how the product can be designed around the existing patents to avoid the infringement, or how to develop the non-infringing product. Patent searches helps to identify freedom to operate FTO, whether you can legally make or sell the product in the market. Opportunities for the non-infringing alternatives. Example, if a patent coating method is patented, you can develop a different coating process. Or if the solubilizer is patented, particle size is patented, you can use the different one and can get out of that patent claim. Third one is regulatory and market strategy. So patent expiry dates directly influence the launch of the generic drug and it affects the timelines. In many of the countries, the patent status affects the regulatory data exclusivity and the generic approval timing. You might be knowing about the NCA exclusivity of 5 years for the US market. Also, the data exclusivity and the patent exclusivity in the Europe market. Launching a generic product the day after the patent expiry can yield a massive early market share. So, knowing about the patent becomes very important. Licensing and the partnerships. Pharma companies often license the patented molecules or formulations or technologies or process. Strong patent portfolios can attract the investment, partnership, and acquisition offers. If you develop a non-infringing formulation, so the innovator company can connect and can do investment or partnerships. So understanding about the patents, patent claims become very important. Example, a patented drug delivery system could be licensed to multiple companies globally to enhance the business. Competitive intelligence is the another reason. Patent database are public gold mines for the technical and commercial insights. Analyzing the competitor patent provide you the information about their R&D focus areas, emerging drug delivery trends, geographic market priorities. So from one patent you can get much more information. Only the thing is that you should understand the patents. If a competitor files multiple patents for the inhaled biologics, you can predict the future market movement. Another reason is compliance and risk management. Patent infringement lawsuits can cause product recalls, financial losses, and brand damage. You might have heard regarding the litigation, and you might also have heard regarding the penalty for infringing the patents. Understanding of the patents helps the pharma professional to avoid the legal pitfalls. Then career growth and the cross-functional collaboration. So patent literacy, understanding and knowledge about the patents enable the effective collaboration with the legal and IP teams, regulatory affairs, business development, and overseas investments. R&D scientist with project management understanding plus patent knowledge makes you the valuable for tech transfer, new product strategy, and portfolio planning roles. That means by understanding the patents and knowing the knowledge, you can grow in your career also. For a pharma professional, knowing how to read, how to search, how to interpret the patents, and how to understand the claims, and how to develop a non-infringing formulation, or how to make a strong patent is very important, along with the regulatory requirements. As per my personal understanding, the patents have the specific language, and understanding the language and the patent claims becomes very much important. Many of the times, the generic companies need to develop a product which is non-infringing, but it is required to be, and it is must be stable, robust, and easily transferable and commercially viable product. That time, understanding about the research and development phases, understanding about the IP laws, and understanding about the patents helps a lot. So why it matters and what is the impact in the pharma field? So patent protects the innovation and it ensures the exclusivity. It avoids the infringement and prevents the costly lawsuits. It guides product strategy and aligns R&D with market opportunities. It supports the licensing deals and generates revenue and the partnerships. That is the business deals. It enables the competitive intelligence and it anticipates the launches. Boost career value. So it opens IP management and strategic roles for the professionals. This is the information regarding the patents and their application in the pharmaceutical industry. Also, the pharmaceutical professionals should understand about the patents, how patent affects the industry, and how it is going to affect our daily work, also our career. Many of the people try to understand the patents. As the research and development person, they have the knowledge of technical field. They can collaborate with the IP teams and can make the strong patents and can also make the non-infringing strategies. Thank you for watching the video and let's meet soon with another informative video.